are going to see about structure of plant and pollination. If you see, a plant consists of a male pot and a female pot. Male pot, that is male pot. Male pot consists of male pot. See, male pot consists of pollen grain, and it is called stamen. Now I am going to see about female pot. If you see, these are called petals. This helps the plant to attract insect to pollinate. And it is called anther, and it is followed by filament. These two are stamen. Now we are going to see how plants reproduce. This part is called stigma. This is called style. This is called ovary, and it is called ovule. And this part is called sepal. See, these are the parts of the plant. And if you see, the ovule consists of an egg cell. Embryo sac, and this is egg cell. Now we see what happens in pollination. Now see, when the pollen grains when the pollen grain bends and lands on the stigma, it bends and stands on the stigma, and this is pollen grain. The pollen grain sends out a snake-like structure into the egg cell. This structure is called pollen tube. This pollen tube grows down the stigma. See, when the pollen tube goes and connects the egg cell, the pollen The sperm cells of the pollen grain goes and fuses with the egg cell, and this makes the ovary as fruit, and the pods like stigma, style, anther all dry up and all dry up and breaks. Bye friends, like and subscribe.